All right, friends, whoa, the grand popped up right as we started it. It is June 9th, still at the Red Rock, after our epic new Baozu Zaofu session. Wifey and I are just kind of stumbling around and want to play this game, and here we are. $3 bets. We have how much of free play do we have? We have $15 of free play we have to use, so we're using it. Plus our own 100 is in there too. Oh yeah? Do it. Ignite. Ignite our might. Do it. They're looking pretty poppable up there. Okay, we have no line hits yet, right? Unless... Oh, trickery. Oh, the silly trickery. That's our first line hit as soon as the... Oh, no. Yeah, okay, free play was still intact. This one has a crazy major. As you can see, 3,000 some odd. The grand was hit more recently than the major was. Oh, keep going. Elephant is the wild, just like the tiger. I got $13 with it. Just like the tiger is wild for the other ones. So we would love to get. We're not getting that many gems here. Please.
What is going on?
This game is tricking us. Okay, 5 cents was not the business. Let's go to 2 cents. Good old trusty 2 cents. What is this? 240. We got like no gems on that one, right? Or just two, a couple. We got one good line hit. Is this why the major is so humongous? Oh, random 5 of a kind down there. Okay. Okay, it connected. Come on, jackpot. Oh yeah. Oh. This one. It does. Okay. Well, you know the cheat for this one. I don't even know how to like. Yeah, this one. It's just the Baozu one that I know. So this is what's this? It's 320. Let's do it. Okay. Just one gem. Oh. 3 in a row. Yeah, this is a very low amount of gems. Wow. Okay. Miner's 50. Oh yeah. We would love a triple hop on this. I love this game, but I haven't played it for so long. Just been trying so hard to mo money. 1 cent, yeah. What is that fella talking about over there? All right, let's go. 1 cent, 160. Why not? Yeah, maybe 1 cent is the right one. Ooh, elephant. Boom, boom. On jackpot. It's $4 on that line hit. Not bad. 112. Boom, boom. Nope, nope. Come on. That was a very no action machine. This is the one that tricks you the most. Oh. Lamps. We need the real lamp in this one. Yeah, it's not a store anymore? A lot of those stores have been closed. Who remembers Lamps Plus? Wifey's random statement of the day. Oh yeah, that's the one we want. The beautiful. Let's go 240 a little. Let's max is 4. Okay. Maybe we need to put the speed up. There we go. We have the speed up, so now it's gonna work. Yeah, see how fast it is? Rapid fire. There you go. It's the speed button. Oh my goodness, do it. Do it. Speed button. No. No such. Oh yeah. Double your pleasure, double your fun. Neither of them happened. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Let's do it. Do it. No. You silly Genie. Yeah, no, this machine is. Yeah, I think they're all connected except for the majors. Wowzers, this is a tough one. Let's do a couple fast spins. Oh, I had it? I think, yeah, I did. It didn't let me go. But it's on a little baby bet, so at least we have the jackpot feature. Yeah, maybe that's why. The rest. That was a great rub. See, look what it's going to provide us. What are you going to bring to us, Genie? So this is the most fun one. We need the green one. Okay, we need. Oh, what was that? She was like, ooh, indeed. Yeah, that one. Oh yeah, 2 more of those. Beautiful Genie. Oh, okay. 2 more purples. Boom, boom. Major, yes please. Minor, okay. Grand, alrighty. How crazy would it be? Oh, someone's got to get it. We can be the ones. Excuse me? I need some more beautiful jackpot gems. Come on. As I wish. You know what I wish is? Not many. Oh God. Okay. We got 1 on each one, but we need 2 more. And we're running out of real estate up here. We're guaranteed to get 2 somewhere. Of course, it's that one. Okay. Let's at least collect some of them. Come on, white, beautiful one. Oh, it's right up there. How many more spins? 2 more spins. We got some okay numbers for 80 cents. Okay.
Another wish.
Something. To at least be a yes. 1 more, please. Oh, haha. Minor is very good. Maxi is very good. Yeah. Okay, Maxi. It's probably mini or probably major. Yeah. Okay, we got 1. Don't want to leave any of them hanging. $10 and a maxi. And a maxi. We're not asking for too much, Genie. 1 more. The anticipation to get the timing right. Timing was not right. That's still 80-cent max bets. I mean, on an 80-cent bet, that's not bad. But we were doing it to like to get it on a bigger bet. But I mean, great. It's just like great, like sarcastically. Yeah, that was great. Yeah, good job, I guess. Okay. Maybe it only wants to give you on 80 cents. So. Okay. Some tea and dates. Let's go to 120. We're living on the edge, people. 120. Hello? It's so hard to get that jackpot one, but unless you get it again. Bam, bam. Jiggle, jiggle. It didn't do anything. So yeah, it just didn't. I knew it because it didn't let me spin it. So interesting. Yeah, maybe that was just like coincidence then. Double. I forgot which one that is. Oh, it's like 2 screens. This is definitely one of my favorite games. But no gems. And some gems in the holograms. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye 1 cent. See you never. Okay, 240 on 2 cents. Let's get some of these lovely line hits first. Oh, why did it slow down right there? So my speed on 2x was the right speed, so there we go. Okay, 1 random straggler. Do it. Pump fake. No one likes a pump fake, I'm sure. Playing in the NBA. Okay. 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 We need some help here. Oh yeah, here's the help. Sending out an SOS. I've never seen like so little gems.
Yeah.
Like I'll see a lot of gems and then they don't do anything. Like they don't trigger anything. Yeah. Well, it gives you false hope. This is not giving anything. Maybe because it's gonna pay out big and it knows that any gem it gives, it's gonna like potentially be a bonus. So it's just, I don't know. It's weird that I've never seen so little. Yeah, just put it in, why not? Yeah. Wifey said she would put in this lucky 20 that she was holding in her hand, which is very dirty. You need to wash your hands very well after this, wifey. Don't hold money in your hand. Oh yeah, there, that's all we needed to do. Right? Oh, I guess not. I guess not.
Best wishes.
Oh, shaky. I've never had a rumble feature on this. Here we go, shaky, shaky, rumble, sugar. What is it, please? White. Okay, double pop, I think, right? It better be a double. Don't trick us like that. Oh, it's just ignite? Not double? Oh, it is double. Okay, good, good. That was a tricky one. Okay. Let's go. Lucky 20. We still had money in there. We would have had like 10 still, but maybe that was the right one. The tip, just the tip.
Wishes bring riches.
Okay, I think we can still trigger the other one inside of here. What is this? A 240 at 2 cents. So double, right? Oh, double. Oh, it doubles your money. That's right. Double your money, double your fun. Oh. We need some of these gems now. Yes. So now this is gonna ignite everyone or one of them on every spin. Do this one. Okay. So now every time we spin it, that's gonna boost up. But we need to get some of the purple ones too. Purple. Purple, please. Purple, please. Okay, purple. Whew. And then do that one, please.
Double the fun.
Oh, so double the fun. So doubles every one of them? Oh, just one, yeah. Double that one, please. Double that one, please. Oh, it does. Yeah, it just picks it just randomly. It could just be like one, too, so it's doing it multiple times. That's good. Do it again. Okay. Oh, okay, that one's there, too. It fools me. Oh, it did do that one. Nice. Oh, so that's interesting. So now that one's doubled and it's ignited, so it's worth even more. So let's get the jackpot feature too, why don't we? Okay, oh, that's good. Double, indeed. Double the 9. 9 again. Oh, tricked us. Yeah, it can. There you go. Double the 16 too. Okay, let's get some more doubles. I like it. It can boost that random amount. It can just boost like, it can just keep going for like $20 too, or more, yeah. It's not just necessarily just like one little. Oh yeah, we need one more double. Oh, it tricked us. Yes. Double us. Don't double the $1. Don't say that. Don't. Okay, they can't do it again. Double the 19. Double the 19. Yeah. All right. Double it again. Oh, double something again. Okay. It's trickery. It's trickery. Yeah. More. Okay, keep going. Oh yeah. Oh, do that one, please.
Double your fortune.
Double our fortunes, please. Beautiful Genie. It'll just trigger the bonus to the jackpot too. Yes, that's good. 40 again. Say it again. Okay. Do it again. Oh, that's a nice ball right there, I would say. That's a nice, beautiful. Double. How crazy did we get double right now? Then you double that one. I mean, let's get it. Oh, we're not done yet, friends. We are not. If we build it, they will come. Oh yes, yes. Do jackpot.
Double.
Oh, do jackpot. Don't say 75. Say the 80. Yeah, it's trickery. I did the 75. Did it pop the jackpot too or no? No, it just looks very, very mighty big. Okay. Yeah, I like this. You're jinxing it right now. It's too short. That's what she said. Okay, people, we need one double feature again. Oh, okay, that was a big. It did do it. I was gonna say when it does one really big one, like I did already, like $10. It's usually like the last spin, but I guess not. I got another $6 one. That was a big one. Oh my goodness, can we get the grand, guys? Can we get the grand? It's not a reality until you're right there. Oh, we don't have that much more real estate, but we you know. Gems. There's a surprise at the ending. I want. It's $200 because we're on 2 cents. I knew you didn't remember that.
You shall receive.
Okay, people. Excellent. Oh, we made a psychedelic noise right there. Are we geniuses or what, people? Oh, we are on a roll today. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. That deserves credit. Let's see what it's more than great. Yeah, massive win. Oh, yeah, more than great. That's for dang sure. Oh yeah. We love it. We love it. I mean, the major would be crazy. This machine just super hot right now. Okay, 240 bet. Okay, and that was crazy because that was like on the haywire feature. So, we'll just see how the gems look. They're all like, I mean, I don't know why the jackpot is so small. We did just get it, but we haven't been getting that much. Oh, come on. We want to be greedy, people. Slot machines take so much from us good, hard-working folk. We needed. Yeah, I already had it in my head. Yeah. To 340. Oh, let's get some line hits though. Oh. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, oh, you tricky little one. You tricky silly one. Okay, well that was absolutely awesome. We tried hard and we got rewarded for it. Thank you, Mystery of the Lamp. We've been crushing it today, playing some new games, playing some old ones, and having fun along the way. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in the next one.